I want to talk to you about how you create promotional announcements that sell. Now, I've made this video just for you, deliberately placed it at the top of the course, and I'm making it preview enabled so anybody can see this, because I want you to understand what this course is about, and I want you to be able to decide whether this course is for you. So my simple question is, are you struggling with your promotional announcements in Udemy, or indeed your promotional emails? Because this course is really for anybody who is doing any sort of email marketing. Now, I love this little fellow here. I mean, let him do his stuff. Does this little guy summarize the situation you're in? Struggling so hard, but not quite able to get there. But it doesn't have to be this way, because I've been doing this Udemy online course creation and teaching business now for nearly 5 years. And I love sharing my knowledge and experience. I love making these courses. And in the course of making these courses, I've learned a lot about sending out promotional emails. And I want to share it with you. And that's what this is all about. So come with me. Let's go back to the drawing board. And let me ask you a simple question. What's the basic structure of an effective promotional announcement or email? Now, if you're sending out announcements or emails without thinking about the structure of them, without thinking about what has to go in them, then this is the fundamental building block, and you're missing the trick. These are the main things you need to think about. And I obviously haven't got time to go into detail of them here, but I do go into a lot of detail in the course. You need a title. You need a hook. You need images to stimulate people. You need calls to action. You need to explain the benefits. You must, of course, have the price and links to the courses you're selling or the products and services you're selling. You need to be triggering the right psychological triggers. You need to provide social proof. You need to sign off properly, and you need a PS. And each of those come together to form the essence of what makes a successful and high converting announcement. So if you take that, and then I share with you real life examples from some of the best instructors that I know. Don't forget, I've been doing this for a long time. I've got over 2,000 of these emails filed in my email folders, which I study. I look to see what other people are doing and see what I can learn from them. And in the course, I help you to use some of the examples to create your own amazing emails, because I give you a walkthrough of lots of different types of emails sent by these other highly successful instructors, and I share them with you line by line. And also, what if I could show you how to create really catchy titles? What if I can give you some of my best tips, tricks and tactics to help your emails convert? Well, I do. They're all in the course. How creative can you get with images? I show you some great ideas and suggestions and examples. You've already seen the little dog in the GIF. That's one way to make your emails more stimulating, and I show you exactly where to get them from and how to put them in. Do you know how you can measure how effective your promotions are? Your open rates, your click-through rates. Clearly, you can track your sales if you have the right coupon codes. But there's a lot to this, and if you learn and you study what works and what doesn't work with your audience, you're going to get better sales. And of course, I show you exactly how to do that. Well, what's the best time to send a promotion? Which day of the week? Which time of the month? I take my records from over 10,000 paid sales, and I show you exactly which are the best days of the week and which are the best dates, which is the best time of the month. And I think you'll be surprised by some of the results. And what about educational announcements? You don't have to sell all the time. And in Udemy, you get 4 of these a month as opposed to 2 promotional announcements. So I give you some great ideas and real life examples of how to use educational announcements to great effect. And as all this wasn't enough, then I show you step by step how I created the promotional announcement for this course. So I've spent a lot of time putting this course together, thinking through what you will need to make your promotional announcements and emails really effective, because I'm using my knowledge, my expertise, and basing it on my experience. And I really want to help you. So let me ask you a final question. Is this course for you? Only you can decide that. But if the answer is yes, I really look forward to welcoming you into my community of students, You will not be alone. I will be with you step by step, every step of the way. So this is really just an overview of my course. I want you to get some idea before you have to go and buy anything and jump in. Just decide for yourself whether or not this course is for you. Go and look at the other preview lectures as well, and then make the decision. And if you do decide to enroll, then it'd be great to have you, and I look forward to working with you.